New viral spot in Jakarta. No problem. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to Jakarta Tips. Today I'm here at Halte Tosari. That's the newest spot in Jakarta. Tosari Halte is a Transjakarta bus stop located on Jalan Thamrin, Menteng, central Jakarta. This bus stop is in Koridor 1, which runs from north to south. I come here at Car Free Day to show you this place better. The architecture here is like a ship in the center of Jakarta. On April 15, the construction of the new Tosari bus stop began with 10 other bus stops to be revitalized, including the Duku Hatas bus stop. Car Free Day is a good opportunity to walk around Tosari Halte and enjoy watching this spot. Halte Tosari isn't only a bus station. Like Halte Bundaran HI, you can go to the Anjungan and take pictures. During the filming, an interesting thing happened. No problem. Sorry. It's a great experience and videography. No problem. I want to introduce Indonesia, specifically Jakarta, to people around the world. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel. Another entrance of this station is that in front of the Grand Indonesia that's so strategic and so good for public transportation because so many people come here to access Grand Indonesia Mall and local foods around this mall. Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
I can see the light from your bedroom door. You've been staying up late, I don't know what for. Let's watch the spinning blade to the ceiling fan. Let's count the running sheep.
Halte Tosari location is so strategic. By this station you can access to center of Jakarta. This spot is located at Bundaran HI Square, and at the other hand of the square we have another busway that's called Bundaran HI Anjungan or Bundaran HI Halte. The architecture is same, but over there is open to public to take pictures, take videos, and it's a great spot for photography.
Truth be told, I try the same damn thing.
It's time to look around Bundaran HI Halte. With this view, you can fully see the city without cars. This is perfect spot for photographers.
I've been staying up late, I don't know what for. But I'm here if you need. Here if you need me now. But I'm here if you need. Here if you need me now.
It's now 8 o'clock and many people are returning to their homes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.